Listening practice for so and such. Listen to me say the sentence, then pause the video and write down what you hear. Press play to see the text on the screen and check your answer. Train your brain to master so and such. Let's begin. Shakespeare was such a masterful writer that his work is still studied and celebrated today. Shakespeare was such a masterful writer that his work is still studied and celebrated today. The movie was so boring, I fell asleep halfway through. The movie was so boring, I fell asleep halfway through. Russia is such a vast country that it takes days to cross it by car. Russia is such a vast country that it takes days to cross it by car. We went to a Rolling Stones concert last night. They were so energetic and impressive. We went to a Rolling Stones concert last night. They were so energetic and impressive. The roads were so icy and so dangerous that the government issued a warning. The roads were so icy and so dangerous that the government issued a warning. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. The new Spider-Man movie is incredible. It's so good that I went to see it twice. The new Spider-Man movie is incredible. It's so good that I went to see it twice. Leonardo da Vinci was such a genius that some experts believe his IQ to be one of the highest ever. Leonardo da Vinci was such a genius that some experts believe his IQ to be one of the highest ever. What have you got in this bag? It's so heavy I can't lift it. What have you got in this bag? It's so heavy I can't lift it. The ballet dancer moved so beautifully that the audience was silent in amazement. The ballet dancer moved so beautifully that the audience was silent in amazement. Some parts of the world's oceans are so deep that we don't even know what's down there. Some parts of the world's oceans are so deep that we don't even know what's down there. Some fans were so excited to see Brad Pitt that they fainted. Some fans were so excited to see Brad Pitt that they fainted.